Right, welcome back to Shed Tune. On with doing the silencer for the TSR Evo. This is the standard one. It's a tad on the large side and I don't like it. This is the one that I was going to modify, but the block that I need to modify it, they're a bit different in size. So that leaves this one, which I've already taken the screws out and checked prior. So that comes off of there, and then this will go in there right the way down, and then stay, and then that will go around, and we'll drill and tap this onto and double strap it, and then we'll drill and tap this to the same pattern as that, because that pattern is just enough out to not fit, and it hits the welds. So this effectively can go on there like that. Right, so we have two options on this. Literally hold that on there, mark it like that, scribe it, do whatever. But what I want to do is basically right, so mark teeth at the top on there. Basically, bit of colouring in between the lines. You can't even manage that. They line up. I'm going to drill this out now. I've decided I'm going to go drill it, tap it down, drop some studs in there, Loctite them, and then it can be done with nuts, taken on and off. A bit like that, as opposed to constantly going into the alley. Just gonna have a quick look. On there like that. On there. Right. That. So now what we have to do is with the strap, drill and bolt around, but try and get it so none of the none of those line up, which I think is about there. So we can put one bolt in there and it will miss that stud. That one will miss that one, that one will miss that one, that one will miss that one. Whereas either side of that bolt, they don't. So it has to go between the two, and that will clear. But the first one, mark. All we've got left to do is now fix this bit. Drill out that, drill out that, tap it, put that one on, and job's done. Right, pretty solid on there. I'm happy with that. Rear runners on, marked it there. As you can see, it's a little bit more over than the Friend Speed Super Tourer was. I'm going to have to cut that piece out down here. Perfect. There we go. Silencer all done. All back together. Rear board trimmed up. Just now got to start it. Exhaust is all on. Panels are all, well, not panels are on. So we're going to start it up, and you can hear how spectacular it sounds. And we'll get gassed out. Or not. I think the silencer lost the brief of what a silencer is supposed to be.
Well, it looks good, if nothing else.
Looks the bollocks. Looks like we got another video coming. How to silence a silencer.
Say bye, Dom.
Bye, Dom.